I think I'm in love, say it way too often. I can't play these games, and girls switching up the offense. See me in LA, I be moving cautious. I can't feel no pain, rolling up, I'm so exhausted. I be so exhausted, whoa, I be so exhausted, whoa, I close my eyes, I see the vision. All this reading got me lifted, profile. Like a flu, ayy. Shawty said she loved me. I told her, who are you, ayy? I ain't with that
A 2-hour flight delay. Are you guys finally ready to hop on and head to Texas?
Brandon just did a fat line of coke in the bathroom. It's cracked out. You got your Lunchable?
Appreciate it, thank you.
Here we go. You ready?
Thank you.
Wear a face mask over their nose and mouth at all times throughout flight.
On the plane, we haven't gotten to Houston yet, but if you watched Monday's video, you obviously saw, you know, we had a delay and everything, so we're starting a little bit late, but we're gonna get this show on the road, get to Houston for once and for all, for Texas 2K 2021, and I have my rental car waiting for me. We have our house there, Jamaica Beach, which should be really fun.
Jamaica, baby.
Yeah, and it's our first time, it's my first time in Texas like this, so looking forward to it, but catch you guys in just a little bit.
Simple facts. Florida Health Organization. Masks do not work. Simple facts. Yep. Because it's facts. Just like the safety goggles. It goes through your eyes. Yeah, okay. If the masks work...
Some lady's freaking out about her mask right now.
Yeah, go ahead. Get some. I don't give a fuck. She's causing a problem for no reason. It was down for 2 seconds and she wants to cry about it.
Well, we made it. So we're gonna go pick up my rental car. I'm gonna try to finesse a Mustang. The only thing that they had available at the time was like a luxury sports car. So they didn't include a Mustang, but I'm gonna see if they have one. If I have to upgrade, I'll just upgrade. It'll be fun to have here in Houston, so I guess we'll see. What the fuck on the trolley?
Just make sure you don't take the tolls, they'll charge you penalties on everything.
I tried to get the Mustang. She kind of got my hopes up. She said we might have some Mustang GTs in the lot. And I got so stoked because they would have been the 10-speed GT, but nope, I think we're still settling for the Cadillac. So good news, we walked out to go grab the Cadillac and we saw something a little bit better. So I just got done switching up paperwork and got it taken care of. So I don't know if this is a walk of shame or if this is something I should be pretty hyped about. I was going to get a Cadillac and I finessed something even better, in my opinion. But it's over there. Here we go, guys.
Are you ready?
Moment of truth.
Are you ready?
Bang! Ooh, we're joining the Chevy game today. Let's take a look at this bad boy. So, this is a Mustang channel. I don't know how we ended up in a Hertz Edition Camaro SS, but hey, I am not complaining.
It's got the Henry Motorsports Brembos on it.
I'm not even gonna complain, bro.
Dude, I know all about this car.
Now, how do you do the remote? What do you do?
Lock
And you hold it.
Lock and hold it?
Double lock.
Hey, I'm pretty stoked right now.
All I have to say is, it's a Ford car. Get in the car.
Oh, look at the Recaros.
You're gonna have to move your...
Oh, dude, it's lit.
No, they're power Recaros.
Bro, it is lit.
Ford is fucking...
Yo, this bitch is nice,
Ford's
dude.
fucking up. These cars are powered. Oh my god, I can't fit. I'm fat. Go, go. I'm in.
So there's the rental car, guys. That just made my week so much better. I know it's a Camaro, but hey, it is pretty nice, man. I gotta make some money up on this trip, so I need you boys to watch the videos every video this week. But
oh, watch this, look. The lights go white.
yeah. So we also have a beach house that you guys are gonna see in Jamaica Beach, Texas. It's about, what, an hour and some change away? First car meet at Houston, we figured our house is an hour and 30 minutes away. So we might as well just kind of roam around Houston for a little bit because we're already here. And yeah, so we're gonna go to our first car meet, and I'm sure it's gonna be popping. All right, so we got to the first meet. I ain't gonna lie, this is so worth it right now. Dude, we'd still be driving if we were in the car.
I know.
For another 20 hours, dude. But we're gonna walk around. There's not too many people here, but we're gonna walk around and just see what's up. Hey, it could be worse. We could be in a Cadillac right now.
Or a Camry or something.
It's pretty dope looking too. I'm gonna get it washed though, it's filthy. So we got a couple Stangs here, S197, S550. Another Gen 3. ZL1, that's a big dog right here. Another S197, another S550. On a tire too. Very nice. Yeah. So you full bolt on? Yeah. Nice. We're gonna see what the hype's about. Whataburger. I've been told, gotta try Whataburger, you gotta try it. So I did In-N-Out when I went to California and met with Jacob Ardoti. So we're gonna try Whataburger.
We can't go inside?
I don't know, can we? I don't think so. I don't see anybody.
There's people right there.
Inside? No, those are workers.
Oh.
But we're gonna see what the hype's about. We'll try it on camera, all three of us at the same time. This Camaro lurking in the back right here, bro. It's a few hours later, and we finally made it to the beach house here in Jamaica Beach. Super beautiful out here. It's very quiet, and it is definitely pretty far away from Houston, Texas. I think it was like an hour and 30 minutes. That's a big ass dragon, holy shit. As I was saying, it's about an hour and 30 minutes away from Houston. So we have to plan our days pretty strategically just so we're not driving back and forth for no reason. Since we're here at the house, I figured I can just go ahead, give you guys a little tour, show you around and stuff. And yeah, it's kind of like a mini Mustang week. It's really odd. Glad we did it even though all the plans didn't work out as planned. So if you haven't watched Monday's video, I kind of go over everything with that. Click the card. It's either in this corner or that quarter. It just popped up, so just go watch that first. But anyway, here we go. So I guess you could say this is officially DerekBaranProductions, the Mustang owner, going on record and saying that this Camaro is actually rather nice, and Chevy did a wonderful job with it. The front end on this one honestly looks pretty aggressive. I'm kind of digging the black and yellow. I typically wouldn't, but for some reason I just am on this car. Has the good old little Brembos there. I'm not a big fan of the stripes down there though, or that Hertz logo, because that just screams rental car. As I mentioned though, it is a Hendrick Motorsports edition, so I don't know exactly what they change on this. Obviously, I would imagine the brake upgrades, both front and rear. You got 4 pistons back there, the wheels, probably like the front splitter, obviously the decals. I am very fortunate that I at least was able to obtain something like this instead of the Cadillac I was supposed to get. But let's take a look at the interior. And this is where I was kind of blown away. You know, the newer Mustangs and stuff, they're really nice, but this is on like another level. Like, got the Recaros, right? Custom stitched, very comfortable. They're both powered Recaros, and they're both heated and cooled seats. First thing you'll notice is you do have these nice yellow accents all around. You know, flat bottom steering wheel, paddle shifters. It is a 10-speed trans, so this thing, you know, it definitely moves. It's not slow by any means. And again, I was quite impressed with it last night. It was dark, so I wasn't trying to rip on it too much, especially not knowing where I'm at in Texas and not trying to get in trouble the first night I was here. So I kind of played it safe. I got on it a bit, but it's a pretty stout car, man. I think they make like 475 to the crank, I believe. You could definitely tell it has some weight to it though. That's the one thing I did notice. And my gosh, the blind spots in this car are ridiculous. Other than that though, it is a really nice quality car, and I never thought, you know, I would be this impressed with the Camaro. And I don't know if it's just because of the model I got, the whole Hertz Hendrick Motorsports model, or if this is just what Chevy does to all their newer Camaros, because I mean, they hit a home run with this. And my absolute favorite part about this car is it does have a mild exhaust. So let me open the door and start it. I don't know why the auto start wasn't working. It did earlier, but it's not now. That's a nice little rumble to it, and it definitely opens up once you stomp on it, and that's another thing I haven't really messed with. So we have a mode button right here. Okay, so there's sport, track, snow and ice. Okay, so we had it on track yesterday. It ripped. The shifts are really aggressive. But yeah, there's the Camaro, guys. Let's go see what the homies are up to and show you the rest of the house. Your boy DBP, rocking that Chevy. So we have this garage area. I don't think we're allowed in there. I think that's where they keep all their supplies for the Airbnb. We also have this little backyard area. Not quite sure. I don't know, maybe for your pets, it's actually a pretty good idea. Yeah, wow, there's probably a lot of anacondas, giraffes, and snakes in there. We're not going in there. Come up these steps. Might take me a minute. Hold on, we're almost there. Almost there, almost there. All right, we made it. What's going on, man?
What's up, bro?
What you doing, getting some work done?
Grinding for you guys, grinding.
Hell yeah, mullet game getting there, boy. The whip, it geeks me out every time. So you can obviously tell we took over the dining room table as our little office space. Have all my stuff right here. This will all be working for the week. Jake is obviously sitting over there, knocking out his video. The kitchen, pretty nice, not too bad. And living area, first room here to the right. If anybody wants to break in and scare the living crap out of them, feel free. Fucking door's locked, but Brandon's still sleeping. We have our bathroom. It's my throne for the week. Does the job pretty nicely. Sits a little high though, so I'm like on my tippy toes. But we got Jake's room right here to the left. Has his own bathroom. Yeah, it's where the mully gets brushed every morning.
Oh, every morning.
And you got your boy DBP's room. That's kind of the house. It's nothing too crazy. And again, it's actually, I'm really happy about it because this was such a spur of the moment trip. And this had no planning whatsoever. We literally planned it within 2 weeks. We just said, screw it, let's do this, let's do that. And bang, we're here in Texas with the Camaro and not our cars, but it's all good. And I'm excited to see what this week has in store. Take one last look of the view. It's kind of a crappy day here though, unfortunately. And I think it's just because we're on the water. Once we head to Houston tonight, I think we are going to be meeting up with Nico, that guy Marin. You know, he obviously has a badass Shelby, badass vet C7. Not really sure what to expect, but I am glad my good old friend that lives here let me borrow his Camaro Hendrick Hertz Edition. So that's about all we have for you guys today. As far as the videos from here on out, they should be absolute bangers. We had just to get here to Texas, get settled in, get some content out for you guys. And again, if you haven't watched Monday's video, please go run that up. Drop a like on this video, drop a comment, check out Brandon's channel, check out Jake's channel. We're gonna be posting all different content again. We're just here to have some fun, to make some content for you guys to enjoy. We will see you tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern time for another video. Again, do your boy a favor, drop a like on this video. That's all I'm asking, guys. I will provide the content. Just slap that like button. Seriously, it helps out so much. But until next time, see you later.